Welcome to Harvest Caye, NCL's free excursion.
Hey there, it's Clay from Shady Slots.
Do not pay money for an excursion when you hit Belize. Go to Harvest Caye for free. So we took the Norwegian Encore to Belize, and when we got there, there is this incredible little walkway. It's about a 7-minute walk, totally flat. They do have little shuttle buses that can take you back and forth. Here's the entrance, and when you enter the resort island, the thing you do notice is that there's no entrance fee. But nothing is free when you get to the island, so you have to use either credit card or cash. They do tell you on the boat that they prefer credit cards. There are tons of shops with real beautiful collectibles. This is the pool area. It's really nice and quite comfortable, very relaxed. There's bars all around it. And after that, there is the beach area. So same thing, there are chaise lounges with umbrellas. I will say, as somebody who burns, there's not a lot of shade other than if you have the umbrellas. There are some great bars with some very unique drinks, and they're not that expensive. And then there are different things you can do. You can zip line off of the lighthouse. There's the ship in the background, so you can see how close it actually is. There are restaurants sprinkled all over the island, as well as bars. There is the lighthouse right there that you zip line right off of, and you can also do wave running. Another great surprise here is that they have the wildlife experience, which is a small zoo of their local animals. And when you walk in, you'll see the beautiful fauna. There's a large green iguana when you enter. It's very friendly. You will find a scarlet macaw and a toucan, and they are super friendly and on the loud side, I will say. And then after that, there is also the world of butterflies, which is quite beautiful. They have like a little safe room where you go in so that the butterflies don't escape, and then you get to enjoy all the beautiful butterflies from the area. And there are hundreds of them just flying around. Hey, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button, and definitely the like and notification bell for more. So that was the after. Here's the before. These are the butterfly larvae. And then whenever you're ready, it's just an easy stroll back to the ship, and you will have had an amazing day over at Harvest Caye in Belize. Thanks for watching. See you soon.